sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Unleaded, full tank.
Full tank, sir.
The term mototourism has recently gained popularity in the Philippine motorcycle scene. The concept, however, has been practiced by many for quite a while now. While your average commuter bike can easily double as your touring machine on weekends, it does have some limitations in terms of comfort and performance that can potentially make the trip less enjoyable than expected. What if you have something that is the other way around? A regular touring machine that is built for the open roads but can also serve as a daily commuter in urban traffic if need be.
Hi, I'm Satinka and I'm using S400i. Yung Xciting since June 4, so maganda yung handling niya. Ang pinaka gusto ko kay Xciting is very stable siya kahit nasa highway ka or even in traffic. Yun.
Good morning po, ako si Angel. Ito, gamit ko yung Kymco S400i. Nagustuhan ko rito yung riding comfort niya. Ang sarap niya dalhin, tsaka yung mga brakes niya, ang lalakas. At the same time, yung headlight niya, ang ganda. At para sa akin, ito yung isa sa best maxi scooter ngayon sa Pilipinas.
Taiwanese manufacturing giant Kymco has just the thing in its stable that is sure to excite any rider afflicted with wanderlust. Launched locally early this year, the all-new Xciting S400i is meticulously designed with Kymco's philosophy, "Win my heart." This is the next generation maxi scooter that will meet the stringent demands of a rider who seeks nothing but the best of sport touring.
Hi, my name is Jason Pangan and I've been using this maxi scoot for 1 month now. Advantage is comfort is excellent. Tapos yun, basta ang the best dito yung comfort. Yung sa back ride, enjoy din sila yung mga back ride ko. Fuel consumption, not too bad naman. Tapos okay na yung performance. Malakas sumatak.
Xciting S400i is designed not only to excel in every aspect, but also to exceed every expectation of the most demanding riders. It is built on the perspective of the rider's needs to fulfill a much-desired work-leisure balance. It is equipped with Kymco's high-performance and futuristic technology. Its modern and contemporary design, high-speed riding stability, and total comfort in riding is indeed the perfect solution for those who often commute in the city for work and for those who consider themselves as weekend wanderers.
is Jojo Villegas. I've been riding this Xciting S400i for the past 3 months. So, ang pinakagusto ko lang dito, or pinakagusto ko sa model na to, first is yung riding comfort. Talagang pang touring siya. Second is yung no-do technology na wala sa ibang brand. So, the navigation, connecting to the Bluetooth, uploading your profile pic sa dashboard niya. So, yun yung isa sa mga magandang features dito. Aside sa safety, ABS, both front and rear, disc brake, masarap siyang dalhin. Pwede siya pang araw-araw, lalo na sa long drive.